What exactly this will do right now?
So right now, it is limited compared to the East Coast. It does link up with your ticket for the Lightning Lane experiences.
But I still need to use my phone to check into my reservation first, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. And then beyond that, it is set up to the bounty hunter experience at Galaxy's Edge.
I see.
That's already set up too, but more to come. You can't pay with it yet. It doesn't link with your hotel yet.
Okay.
But hopefully soon, since the official release is the 26th this month.
Got it. Hey everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Ooh, much sun. Okay, I'm in Disney. Today is the Wednesday, and I heard MagicBand is here, available early access. So we're gonna go check it out. What is it all about? Maybe I'll get one. Let's go check it out. So today's Wednesday. I have been in Disney since Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday now. Wow, I'm such a diehard. Okay, so let's stay focused. I'm gonna check out the MagicBand, and we're gonna meet my old assistant Andrew. We're gonna have a little dinner at Disneyland too, so you get to see him. This is it, Star Arcadia, so we're gonna check it out. Is there a line or?
You can go ahead and check it with the captain. Yes.
Oh, check it. Okay, got it. Hi, I'm interested to get one of the MagicBand.
Yeah, so
how does that work?
Each of the fixtures have the same product. The top left one is the Magic Key exclusive band. All the other rows, the top two rows, are the Disneyland exclusive ones. The rest are ones available online. The limited ones that are limited release are going to be the Coco and the Black Panther styles. So you are limited to 2 per style.
Why will people buy 2?
Huh?
Why will people buy 2?
People collect things.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm sorry. So you say the Magic Key holder exclusive is on the.
Let me show you.
Sorry, just so many.
I like it too. It's really nice. This one right here.
And that is the Coco? No.
So this is the Magic Key exclusive right here. It's really nice.
Okay.
The Coco and Black Panther are the limited release ones. So those are ones that are going to be going away.
Ah, I see.
The price points are right there, and at the bottom you'll see different color codes. So I'll tell you the price points.
And is Magic Key discount applied?
Yes, it does.
Oh wow, that's good.
And then if you want to see them all kind of more up close and personal, we have this set up here.
Got it.
And also we have mobile checkout set up. So if you want to skip the line if there's one, with your phone, go for it.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Brett. Oh, he's so nice. Okay, let's check this out. Well, this is you can see there's a Disneyland one. There's a darker Disney one. And then this is the Magic Key exclusive. I don't know if I want that though. That looks kind of boring. And there is and that's Jack, that's Sally. And that's the Coco. Coco is a limited edition, limited release. Haunted Mansions, Spider-Man, Black Panther. Oh, that's just a standard black and blue. And that's the Princess. That's the Mickey. Oh, I think I like the Mickey better. That's the black one. What exactly this will do right now?
So right now, it is limited compared to the East Coast. It does link up with your ticket for the Lightning Lane experiences.
But I still need to use my phone to check into my reservation first, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. And then beyond that, it is set up to the bounty hunter experience at Galaxy's Edge.
I see.
That's already set up too, but more to come. You can't pay with it yet. It doesn't link with your hotel yet.
Okay.
But hopefully soon, since the official release is the 26th this month.
Got it. Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you. I was going to set this up, but I realized I don't have my glasses here. Okay, let's just open this. Oh, there we go. This comes with a USB charger in the back. Okay. Oh, I like this. Just slide off on this thing here. Tap the MagicBand to your device. Okay. download the MagicBand app, okay, and link the MagicBand to your Disney account. Okay, that's pretty easy. That's it. Okay, so let's try that. I guess you just put it together. It's not working. Wait, how does that work? Hold on, let me go back to my photo. Gotta turn on the power. Duh. Why is not linked? Oh, we got it. Wow, this is very hard. Okay, finally got it after 20 minutes. The instruction was not clear. It's not even supposed to be that way. Okay, got it. Okay, so we now pair the magic key. So guys, their instruction is actually not supposed to be like that. It's cool. So look at all these people here. Oh, I got here on time. There's a line now. There was no line when I first walked in. We are almost finished the update. My white MagicBand. What do you think? Oh, something happened. Connection failed. Goes to your phone. Maybe it's because the thing falls when you sleep. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it. I got it. Continue. Your MagicBand is ready. See what option left. Okay, I don't need to do all that right now, but this is all the thing that you can do. So I guess that's it. Okay, so forget about the PDF. Just open the Disney app, go to the right-hand corner, the 3 lines. You see that right-hand corner? And then that will take you to the MagicBand. And then you follow instruction right here. That's how you do